Today you will see the complete manufacturing process of the AK-47 rifle.
Did you check the headspace on that one yet? Yes, the go gauge fit perfectly, but the no-go stopped it.
Rifling machines twist grooves inside the barrel, stabilizing bullets for precise long-range fire.
Each component is checked for alignment. Even a millimeter's mistake could ruin the rifle.
Polymer handguards are reinforced with fiberglass, ready for extreme conditions. Polymer handguards are reinforced with fiberglass, ready for extreme conditions. From the searing heat of the desert to the extreme cold of the Arctic, our weapons are tested to the limit. Mud and sand tests replicate harsh environments to ensure the AK-47 never fails. Each rifle is cleaned, oiled, and inspected one final time before.
Every AK is checked multiple times. No rifle leaves the line without passing all tests. Test rounds are fired again, ensuring accuracy, stability, and reliability under pressure.
The AK-47 emerges from raw steel, carrying a legacy of reliability, simplicity, and endurance. Inside this factory, legends are made. Sparks flying like stars in a controlled storm. Inside this factory, legends are made. Sparks flying like stars in a controlled storm. Inside this factory, legends are made. Sparks flying like stars in a controlled storm. Inside this factory, legends are made. Sparks flying like stars in a controlled storm. And when the rifles leave, they carry with them the sweat, skill, and precision of every worker inside.